All right, kiln is finished. Got the armature all welded back together. The burners are finished up to the point of testing. I'll do that as soon as I tighten up the electrical. From here on out, we're just trying to get as much of this work together as possible. I have 138 inches of stackable height in my kiln, and this sculpture here takes up 66 of those. So I have about 32 inches or 72 inches of space left, and all I'm doing is I'm just going around the studio just trying to find pieces that I can puzzle together, fit as many in this kiln as I can. And from here on out is get those found, get them prepped for glazing. I got to get some new glazes mixed up, and then we'll start knocking that out. So real excited. Can't wait to get this thing fired. See y'all in the next video.